The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
After I sponsor this woman, help her and her daughter, this is what I get. She move out all the furniture them on the house, and look what she do. Look what she left. Look what she left. You see the type of person? And then Nirika walk around on the road like, and go on like she Miss Goody. Look what she do. Move out of the house and left what she no want in the garage for me. And I will call the realtor and I tell the realtor say me have stuff in the garage. Look what Nirika do. People no tell me now, I go up now to work in a -60. You understand? Just to have a life, buy a nice beautiful home. Look, see there? I not tell no lie upon Nirika, and look. So my nice house here. My nice house so I have to sell and left. See there? And that Nirika left for me. You understand? Nirika left big junk and garbage to me. Look. See there? Look. See there? Nirika clean out the house. Clean out the fucking house. See there? And I'm telling a lie upon her. See there? Clean out the fucking house. See there? Nirika move out everything out of the house, people. See there? Everything out of the house. 3-bedroom set, we buy. 3-bedroom set. See? We have a king size bedroom set. Nirika move it. Understand? Our daughter have one in her stuff with dress and everything. She gone with it. One day in her stuff with guests. She gone with it. Nirika take everything and expect me to start over life. After me build Nirika. When you see what she roll? When you look. So you can't see no sign of life me I tell me now tell a life on Nirika. See there? See there? I want a bum buckler girl. You see me? She's a girl. See there? Clean out the house. But guess what? She has what's coming for her. Just remember that.
Viewers and subscribers, big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall. Skilla, I'm here again. Now, viewers and subscribers, you know, sometimes there are persons who will make up stories and put it out there on social media, you know, trying to convince persons that they're talking something of truth. You see me? Now, not that I'm saying that the person talking in the video that I presented to you is making up any stories. So may I say, but you know, some of the times when I see videos out there, you know, I think of that. Yes, may I say? But anyways, I'm going to go by the things that the person said in this video. So may I say? And I just presented to you a video, and in the background of the video you can hear someone talking. And according to some things that the person said in the background of the video, it would seem as if the person talked about a female who was living with him at a house, and it would seem as if the female have a daughter, and the daughter was also living at that house as well. And it would seem as if the person is saying that the female who he's talking about moved out of the house that they were living in together, and the female took furnitures and other things from out of the house. You see me? Now, when I hear these things, you see me, viewers and subscribers, I'm wondering if this person was married to the female that he's talking about. You see me? Because, you know, for someone to just move out of your house and take those things that you talk about, you see me? You know, maybe it's a divorce, you see me? I'm just saying, you know, I'm not saying that is what happened, you know. I am wondering these things because, you know, so many things leave out of a house and the person talk about a female, say the female do take these things. It have me wondering that way, you see me? I said to you, you know what? Me just call this a sad story. Really and truly, you know? We just call this a sad story. Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. See me I say? Yeah, I'm going to move on from that video, you know. I have one more video that I'm going to present to you, but before I present that video to you, viewers and subscribers, I have a picture that I want to show you. You see me I say? And I really want to ask a question about something shown in this picture. You see me? This picture shows a parcel with chicken bones and little bits of meats on the chicken bones. You understand? And it would seem as if this parcel with chicken bones have a price tag on it. So viewers and subscribers, the question that I'm going to ask, you see, if this parcel of chicken bone is being sold, what would someone buy these chicken bones to do? So may I say, I'm wondering if it is for dog food or what? Cause me know me not buy that feet. Me not buy that feet. So this picture have me thinking. Really and truly, I see the thing about it too. I'm not really sure, but I think I talk about a picture like this before in a previous video that I did. You see what I say? But for some reason, this picture is circulating on social media and it's being talked about on social media. So viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about what shown in this picture. So I say, really and truly, I'm wondering if someone buy this parcel of chicken bones with bits of meats on it. You see me? I'm wondering what they are going to do with it. And I'm not disrespecting anyone, you know. You see me I say? I'm not disrespecting anyone. Because I'm a Jamaican, you know. And me nyam chicken back. You see me I say? Yeah, I'm not afraid to tell nobody that. I'm a Jamaican. You see me I say? I know say you have many persons out there in the world who don't know chicken back, and if you cook chicken back and try to give them chicken back, they would be like, ew, that's pure bones. I wouldn't eat that, that's bones. You see what I say? So, me not disrespect anyone, but me, I tell you, say me nah nyam this. Oh, let me rephrase it the proper way. I'm telling you, I wouldn't eat this. You see what I say? And I'm not saying it as a disrespectful way. Each to their own. And this is just my preference. I understand? Alright, now I'm going to present a video to your viewers and subscribers. That's what I say. And this video is going to show a female talking about food cards within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. You see what I said to you? This person said some things that gave me the understanding that she's saying that food cards within the country of Trinidad and Tobago should be given to persons who are in need and cannot afford to buy food and other things as well. And that the food cards should not be given to persons who can afford to buy food and other things as well. That's the understanding that I get. So may I say, and on a real, I think that she's on point. I think she's on point. I think she makes a lot of sense with some of the things that she had said. You see me? Yeah, not everything, some of the things, you know, because I know me Dancehall skill, I'm not really here to disrespect anyone. Alright, so I'm going to present this video to you, but before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the things said in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Good day, everyone. All you know, I had to put water in my mouth, but honestly speaking, this topic needs to be raised because I find this is real strippiness in Trinidad and Tobago. This is real foolishness. So, first thing first, why is it that rich people have a food card? Because I don't understand how much hungry people it have in Trinidad and rich people have food card. Like, I mean, people who own businesses, people who have 5 car park up in the yard. I want to call no name, but especially them from Point Fort, and they have a Benz in the yard. They have a Toyota, that 3 van. You understand? And them coming in the grocery with a food card in Marcy and all kind of thing. And then make it even worse. I saw one the other day, you understand? With, guess what? Another food card again. She and she daughter come in. You understand? All your Prada down, all your this, that, and the other. And for some strange reason, guess what? Nobody can tell nobody nothing in the grocery, because guess why? Because they just don't worry back and all, but I don't really care about that. At the end of the day, I don't find people who can afford to buy groceries supposed to have food card. Because then what is the purpose of food card? Food card is not to feed the poor then. Food card is not to help those who cannot help themselves. It's not for those who cannot make enough to buy grocery to feed the family, to feed the mouths inside of their homes then. What's the point of food card then? I really want to know, Wally, what's the point of food card? Because I can't see, you understand, somebody going in the grocery and could only afford to buy at least $40 in grocery, $100 in grocery, and all they know that is not a lot. They're probably about 4 items or 5 items they could pick up. And then somebody rich now come in who could spend a whole 1,000 and buy and more. Some of them are 2 big baskets full of groceries, you understand? And then the little poor people and them, you understand, who can't even afford it, don't have no food card, but them with the 2 big crates, you understand, pulling out food card, and then when the food card money done, they pull out the wallet and add on the rest of money, and the rest of money that adding on is thousands. Come now, man. That wickedness. That is wickedness. I don't care who vex about this, you understand? But honestly speaking, this is something that I find is really ridiculous. This is really ridiculous. Because it have a set of people right now who is not working in Trinidad. You understand? Single mothers, single fathers and all. I'm not going and justify, but it have literally a lot of people who needs food card. And all they cut a set of people food card for the COVID. You understand? I actually see people who begging on Facebook for a meal. A woman had to come out she comfort space and say, all I have is just a little bit of milk left for me to feed my child. You understand? A little bit of milk left to feed my child. If all they could just give me some things, give me some little things and whatever. She said, I'm feeling shame to even ask on Facebook. But I really don't have, and I have to reach to this point because I cannot afford to do nothing because I am unemployed. You know how sad that is? And it's not easy for anybody to come online and beg somebody. It's not even easy for somebody to walk on the streets and ask somebody for something to eat. Or ask them for $1 self. All they know that feeling is not a good feeling. And some of they will never do it before. You understand? All is not, most of it does not want to do it and will never do it. You have it in your mindset that you never will want to do something like that. So imagine how the people and them who doing it feeling. That is not a good feeling to somebody. At the end of the day, I find the government need to do a background check and stop giving food card to friends and people and them who have money. You understand? If somebody have over 100,000 in the bank account, or the own a building, or the own a set of different things, or don't have a set of apartments, they don't deserve no flicking food card. All it's too wicked, man. Come now, man. Them is people who only want to get food card, and all they want to cut the people and them, the poor people and them food card. I don't care. And yes, the reason why I come on live and I get to non stupid, so it's got to cut my food card. Not saying that I completely rich. Yes, when I was working, I had plenty money, but at the end of the day, you understand? Them cut my food card since June. I have a permanent food card. You cut my food card. You understand? But giving out food card to the rich. I was in Port Spain the other day. You understand? It's not to say the person coming looking like if they're suffering, you're not suffering. You're big fat like a blasted whale. You understand? I come in eating. You understand? A gyro. You ain't need no damn food card. You're eating enough. You have enough money to buy things to eat. Because you and fast food is best friend. You and fast food is best friend. Government need to do a background check and give food card to those who deserve it. And stop cutting people food card for months and then giving them a set of runabouts. Because that is not a nice thing to do, people. At the end, I did have people in Trinidad who is suffering, who is actually hungry, and actually who can't afford to buy grocery right now. Look, Christmas coming up. You understand? Now people cupboards empty. They can't even afford to buy something for the child, not even a gift, nothing whatsoever. Or he doesn't put these things into consideration. Or he doesn't care about nobody. At the end of the day, as I say, the people and them who in government is the hoity-toity ones now. So everybody in government still have a work now. It's just the small people and them who was working other works who get laid off. Them don't matter. But here it is now. People who working don't deserve no flicking food card. People and them who unemployed and starving in the house deserve a food card. So I am asking all you to share this video because I want the government to see, you understand, the welfare to know that this is wickedness. They cannot be giving out food card, distributing food card to the rich. Give it to the poor. Because I go start to make video and start to videotape people in the grocery because all ain't gonna like it. I'll go out my way to videotape people who have money and I show like the house and all. You understand? Who have food card. Real shine up thing because this is not nice at all. It's not nice. I don't care who vex. All you on real shippiness. Look, my neighbor apply for a food card. You understand how much children my neighbor have? You understand? No, they can't even help the girl. Watch how long she apply for this food, and she only applying. All they want people to come and lick all their bam seat to get a freaking food card. That's all they want people to do. And I see people who come and say they begging tears in eye and everything and still ain't get a food card, still get rejected. You know how shameful that is? Anyhow, point blank, all they share this life and get the word out.
Viewers and subscribers, and I really know, you have some persons out there who are dishonest, you know. You see me I say? You have persons out there who can afford to buy this and afford to buy that. And at the same time, some of them, not all, but some of them might take advantage of a government program that is made to help persons who cannot afford to buy food and other things as well. See me? It's not the first time you hear about something like this, you know. It's not the first time. See me I say? Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. Let me know what you think about the videos and the picture that I presented to you in this video. You see me? Yeah, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.